Are you tired of feeling like your budget is stuck in a spreadsheet purgatory, completely disconnected from your real-time spending? Do you wish there was a magic button that could instantly reconcile your bank transactions with your carefully crafted budget, freeing you from the tedious manual entry that often derails even the best financial intentions? If you've ever nodded vigorously to any of those questions, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Roger, not the person, but the incredibly powerful financial automation platform, and how you can seamlessly sync it with your favorite budget apps to revolutionize your money management. For too long, the idea of truly automated budgeting felt like a distant dream for many of us. We download our bank statements, spend hours categorizing transactions, and then inevitably fall behind, letting our financial plans gather digital dust. The problem wasn't a lack of desire to budget, it was the sheer friction involved in keeping everything updated and accurate. Enter Roger. Now, when I say Roger, it's important to clarify something up front. There isn't one universal Roger everyone is referring to. There are actually a few different financial tools out there that go by this name or a similar one, each with its own specific capabilities. For instance, there's Roger Bank, a digital banking platform with its own set of financial management tools. Then there's Roger.ai, which focuses on bill pay and accounts payable automation, particularly for businesses. And you might even encounter a Roger that's an AI-powered assistant from a credit union, or an AI sales automation tool. So, for the purpose of this video, when I talk about Roger and syncing it with your budget apps, I'm primarily referring to the general concept of leveraging a financial platform like Roger that offers robust transaction data and potential integration capabilities. The goal here is to show you the principles of how these kinds of systems connect to your budgeting tools, regardless of the specific Roger you might be using or considering. Many of the core concepts, like data aggregation and API integrations, apply broadly across various financial technologies. The beauty of a platform like Roger, whether it's a digital bank with strong analytical tools or an automation platform designed to streamline financial workflows, is its ability to centralize your financial data. Imagine all your transactions, from your checking account to your credit cards, flowing into one place, automatically categorized and ready for review. This is the first, crucial step toward truly effective budgeting. Without this real-time, comprehensive view of your finances, budgeting remains a historical exercise rather than a proactive planning tool. So, let's break down the how-to. How do you take the power of Roger and supercharge your favorite budget app? We're going to explore a few common scenarios and integration methods. Scenario 1, direct integration, the dream scenario. The absolute ideal situation is when Roger, or your specific Roger platform, offers a direct, native integration with your preferred budgeting app. This is the gold standard because it means the two systems are designed to talk to each other seamlessly, usually through an application programming interface, or API. Think of an API as a digital bridge between two software applications. It allows them to exchange data securely and efficiently. If Roger has a direct integration with, say, NAB, Mint, PocketGuard, or Good Budget, then setting it up is typically straightforward. Here's how it generally works. Step 1. Check for compatibility. The first thing you will want to do is visit the Integration or Connected Accounts section within your chosen budgeting app. Look for Roger listed as a financial institution or a supported platform. Similarly, check Roger's own documentation or settings for a list of supported budgeting apps. Step 2. Authorize connection. Once you find the integration option, you will typically be prompted to authorize the connection. This usually involves logging into your Roger account through a secure portal provided by the budgeting app. This process leverages secure protocols like OAuth, which allow you to grant permission for data sharing without actually giving your budgeting app your Roger login credentials. This is a critical security feature, so always ensure you're using a trusted and secure connection. Step 3. Map accounts. If necessary in some cases, especially if you have multiple accounts within Roger, you might need to map them to corresponding accounts within your budgeting app. For example, your Roger checking account might sync to your everyday spending account in your budget app, and your Roger savings to your emergency fund account. Step 4. Initial sync and ongoing updates. Once authorized and mapped, your budgeting app will perform an initial sync, pulling in historical transactions from Roger. From then on, the integration will typically perform automatic, regular updates, ensuring your budgeting app always reflects your latest spending and income from Roger. This is where the magic truly happens, no more manual entry. The benefits of direct integration are immense: real-time updates, automated categorization, often with the ability to refine categories within your budget app, and a significant reduction in manual effort. It transforms budgeting from a chore into an insightful overview of your financial health. Scenario 2. Utilizing open banking and data aggregators, the common path. What if Roger doesn't have a direct, native integration with your specific budgeting app? Don't despair. Many budgeting apps rely on third-party data aggregators to connect to a wide range of financial institutions. Companies like Plaid, Fini City, or Yodlee act as intermediaries, connecting to your bank accounts, including platforms like Roger, and then securely providing that transaction data to your chosen budgeting app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.